which comes under again polymer chemistry. So brief 4 to 5 definition we will learn here, then we will go for a few questions. Okay. So when you go for the term polymer, you know that poly means many, mer means parts, and polymers made up of monomers, dimers, tetramers, etc. So one by one, let's say definition. Polymer: large molecules having high molecular mass formed by the combination of number of small units called as monomer. Monomer means small unit. Polymer means large unit. What is polymerization? The process of formation of polymers from respective polymers, okay, or monomers is called as a polymerization. Means whatever the process we are doing, artificial. In that natural polymers, we know that natural polymers in the form of plants and animals we are getting, which come under carbohydrates, proteins and minerals found in plants and animals. Examples: protein, cellulose, starch. Synthetic polymers means they are used to prepare in the laboratory, like nylon, polyester, dacron, terylene, like that. So example are nylon 6,6. You know nylon 6,6 is made up of which compound? Hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid, bunions, like that. So again, few classification. Addition polymers. Whenever you combine any two monomers, if there is no elimination of any molecule, it is addition polymer. Molecular mass increases. Example he has given, or definition you can see: formed by repeated addition of monomers having multiple bond. And one condition is that it should have either double bond or triple bond. If they have a single bond, it cannot be considered for polymerization. Homopolymer means what? Having the same monomers. Heteropolymers means different polymers. So homopolymers is also called as a addition polymerization. Okay. Copolymer is also called as a heteropolymer. Next we come to the condensation polymer. So this is the important one, and many classification we are seeing here. Take one monomer, take another monomer. When you combine, if the two atoms are eliminated and then they form a linkage, it may be amide linkage, ester linkage, whatever it may be, the compound formed is nothing but called as a condensation polymer. Okay. So next, fibers, thermoplastic, all you know. Next we go for elastomers. Elastomers means which possess the high degree of elasticity. In physics also you will learn about the word elasticity. Same elasticity will be in the elastomers due to the molecules movement. Okay, it is a characteristic of rubber. It can be greatly deformed, stretched to 8 times its original length. Buna nitride, buna sulfur, and when the stretching force is removed, the molecular chains of an elastomer do not remain extended. This part we come across in vulcanization. Leave it. Next one is thermosetting, and here we are going for chain reaction. Okay, now see here. When you take the compound CH2 double bond CH2 and react with the free radical, we get that radical attached with the CH2 CH2. How means? I will not write the radical. I will write directly, you can understand. CH2 double bond CH2. If I break it, it becomes CH2 dash CH2 dash dash, and whatever this is there, it is called as a radical. Okay, radical CH2 CH2, and again if you go on multiplying, it forms a polymerization. How means? Dash CH2 dash CH2 dash CH2 dash CH2, so on. So you put the bracket and write N, and that becomes a polymer. Okay. Next, here you can see the reaction where we are used 2-ethane diethyl and terephthalic acid, which will give the compound called as a terylene. Okay, and this example we learn in the question. Free radical vinyl polymerization is not linked. And next one, some important polymers. Okay, first one we go across natural polymer. As you already know, natural polymer is made up of the compound that is called as a isoprene. Another compound is called as a neoprene, and last is called as a butadiene, which is 1, 3. Okay, so let's see what we do. Addition polymer of isoprene 2-methyl 1,3-butadiene. Okay, structure also I will write 1,3-butadiene means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 3. If I write the numbers, it becomes double bond here, double bond here, and remaining will be hydrogen CH2, CH, CH, and this becomes CH2. 1, 3 butadiene. Okay, this is the monomer of the natural rubber. An average chain length of 5,000 monomer units of isoprene. The rubber in which the arrangement of carbon chain is a trans with respect to the double bond is called as gutta percha, and this is the natural rubber obtained. So first, another one thing you have to understand, what do you mean by cis and what do you mean by trans. If you take the compound double bond attached with the four groups A, B, C. If you see this compound, A and A are in the same. Opposite sides is A and B. This configuration is called as cis, having the same sign. If I go like this, C double bond C, here one A, here one A, B and C. Here you can see A and A are opposite. It is called as a trans. So what is saying now? The rubber in which the arrangement of carbon chain is a trans with respect to the double bond. Double bond, and this is a trans configuration, is called as a GUTTA percha, that is scientist name. And this is the natural rubber obtained from the bark of the various trees. Vulcanization of rubber involves addition of sulfur to rubber and heating the mixture to increase the strength of natural rubber. So 1 marks or 2 marks question, what is vulcanization of rubber? You should see this one. Vulcanization is used to increase the strength of natural rubber by adding the element which is called as a sulfur. And you know that sulfur formula is S8, which is octa-atomic. Okay. Next. These are the applications. Okay, now we directly come to the condensation polymers. Here you can see these are the few important compounds. First one, we are going for nylon 6,6. And how it is prepared, let's see. OH, CH2 4 times, COH. You concentrate here. NH2, CH2 6 times, NH2. What happened there? Tetramethylene acid, and this one is hexamethylene diamine. When they combine with each other, the hydrogen from this element, OH from this element will be removed, and that is written as H2O, and you get the compound which is called as a polymer, called as a nylon 6,6. Why the word 6,6 will come is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbons here. Hence it is called as a nylon 6,6 compound. Okay. Similarly, different compounds are given. One compound is enough to understand. Dacron, bakelite, novolite. You can see this bakelite reaction also. When you take the phenol and formaldehyde, we get the continuous chain of the compound, which is called as a bakelite or novolite. Okay, so these were the few question synopsis. Now we will move towards the questions. Okay, one by one. Okay, these are the few questions which are related to polymer. First question you can see, the monomer of polystyrene is. First understand what you mean by styrene. Then you can go which will be the monomer of this compound. See, whenever they give the compound like this, you should go for the options where benzene ring is there. Here CH2, CH, CH2, no benzene ring. Here CH2, Cl is there, no benzene ring. Here C6H5 is there. Wherever you see C6H5, it is related to styrene. And here also no benzene ring What will be the structure of styrene? Draw one benzene ring, CH double bond CH2. And when you take this compound and do polymerization, you get the compound polystyrene. Answer is C. Okay. Explanation. It is monomer of polystyrene. So he has not given this one. I will only write. Remove this double bond. Make it one bond here. Put one bracket. Again make one bond. Write CH. Draw one benzene ring. And again join with the CH2. Again close the bracket. You will get the compound which is called as a polystyrene. Okay. Next. Okay, here you can see one way of the reaction. The monomer of the compound given here is, whatever it may be the compound, you have to identify the monomer. 4 options are given. Before answering that, you should remember whatever the groups are there, how many methyl, how many ethyl present in which group. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 methyl groups are there. Here 1, 2. Here 1, 2, here 3 plus 2, 5, remove this option. Here only 1, remove this option. C and D are removed. Now the answer is between A and B. But now you have to see the double bond. Here all are single bond. Here middle is double bond. Here initially double bond is present. So when you start doing the compound, what happens? You can see here down. Answer will be A. Why means why not B? You can see the double bond here, CH2, which will form the chain. And here also CH2, it will continue as a chain. This CH3, this CH3, this CH3, this CH3 will be above and below. But if you take this one, what happens? CH3 are at left and right. Therefore, the monomer of this given compound is nothing but this one. And what is the name of this compound? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. The compound is 2-methyl Prop 1 E. Okay, when you take this and do the polymerization, you get the polymer. Next question. Here you are seeing one compound. I will write again detail that one. NH. I will write it openly, then you will understand. CH2 6 times. C double bond O N. H, C double bond O, CH2 4 times, and here again C double bond O. You can, I think you understood now only by seeing that one. Here we are having the amide linkage. Okay. Now, addition polymer, thermosetting polymer, homopolymer, condensation polymer. So already I told amide linkage is obtained by removing the water molecule. Therefore, it is considered as the condensation polymer by using adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine. This will be the answer for this question. Okay. Next one. You can see the explanation. It is a condensation copolymer of hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. Which of the following statement is wrong? Here he has given 4 statements. Which will be a wrong ones? Let's see. Natural rubber is a trans-polyisopropene. Before 2 minutes only I told natural rubber is made up of isoprene, neoprene, like that. So here it is a trans-polyisoprene, whether it is correct or no. Next one is Buna, yes, is addition copolymer of butadiene and styrene. So you know, Bu means butadiene, Na means sodium, S means styrene. It may be correct or wrong. Natural rubber is a cis-1,4 polymer of isopropene. That time only I told double bond methyl group, whether it is 1,4 or 1,2, you have to understand. Vulcanization makes rubber hard due to cross linkages with sulfur. I told you sulfur acid is added. Among the 4 one, which one is the false statement? This one. Why means it is called as a false statement. Here he has used the word poly. If he has not used the word poly, it would have been the correct statement. Okay. So first option A is a false statement. You can see the explanation. Natural rubber is a cis-polyisoprene. Okay. Next one. Which of the following is not correct? He has given as the following type question, the name of the polymer formula like that: neoprene, terylene, nylon, Teflon. So I will go reverse. Teflon contains chlorine, this is correct. Nylon 6 contains hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. So C double bond to CH2H5 NH. So nylon 6. Terylene, it is having a ester linkage, it is correct. But here neoprene, you can see there is a change in the chlorine atom. Neoprene means what? You can see in the explanation. Neoprene is a polymer of 2-chloro-1,3-butadiene, which is called as a chloroprene, not a neoprene. Hence, the answer for this one is option A. Next one. Which of the following has ester linkages? Before 1 minute only I told ester linkages means what? It should have the linkage like this. R, C double bond O, O, R. This is the ester linkage. Nylon, amide linkage. Bakelite, formaldehyde and phenol, terylene, ester linkage, PVC, addition polymer, polyvinyl chloride. Hence the answer for this one is terylene, which is called as a ester compound. Which of the following is thermosetting polymer? You know the two definitions. One is thermoplastic, another is called as a thermosetting plastic. Okay, thermoplastic means which can be converted into soft, and thermosetting means which cannot be remolded. He has given 4 options. In that you have to identify which is thermosetting: neoprene, PVC, nylon 66, bakelite. We know that nylon 66, PVC and neoprene can be changed easily. Their shape can be molded. But a bakelite is the one which we have to melt at a high temperature. Therefore, answer is D. Bakelite is a cross-linked thermosetting polymer of phenol and formaldehyde. Okay, and how it has been formed? You can remember this like this. It is a phenol and formaldehyde means a C double bond to H. It forms a continuously straight cross-linked polymer. Okay. Next. Caprolactam is used in the preparation of. All of you know about the caprolactam lactic acid. If you take the cyclohexane compound and write NH compound here, it is called as a lactam compound. Okay, it is used in the preparation of nylon 6, nylon 66, nylon 6, 10, nylon 2, nylon 6. First, you can remove the 2 options, third and fourth, which are biodegradable polymer. The answer may be between A and B, but you know that B is made up of adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine. The answer is nylon 6. How means? Take that compound and you can open the chain. You will get CH2 double bond CH2 like this 6 times, 3 times. That time you get the compound which is called as a caprolactam. Next question. The polymer used in the orthopedic devices and in controlled drug releases. This is an application question where polymers are used. Orthopedic means it is related to hospitals, where it is related to bones. Okay, and it is controlled drug release which comes in chemistry in everyday life. Orlon, it should be L. PTFE, that is polytetrafluoroethylene. SBR, styrene butadiene rubber. PHBB, polyhydroxybutyl valerate. These are the 4 options in which orthopedic is used. So answer is Orlon. Orlon is also called as a Buna N rubber. Okay. PHBB is a biocompatible used in orthopedic. It is also used, and controlled drug is Orlon. Means 2 applications are there here. Okay. Controlled drug release is done by this one. So I told Buna N. It is having a CN group. Okay. And SBR is a rubber. It cannot be used for this one. So answer is option A. Next one. Which of the following is not correct regarding terylene? So he is telling that terylene is a ester linkage compound, but which statement is not suitable for that? Step growth polymer, synthetic fiber, it is also called as a dacron, thermosetting plastic. By seeing the 4th option only you can understand thermosetting plastic example is not a terylene. Their examples are nothing but called as a polymer, polystyrene like that. Next one. The polymer which is used in the manufacture of squeeze bottles. Squeeze bottle means whatever the bottle you are using for water and the cold drinks, that is used in the manufacture of which compound is asking. Polystyrene, Teflon, polypropylene, low density polyethylene. Here one new compound you are seeing, which is low density polyethylene, which is given as LDPE and prepared as following: NCH2 double bond CH2 using peroxide catalyst at high temperature and high pressure. It is LDPE. So four options he has given. The answer is D, LDPE. It is used for making squeeze bottle flexible hose pipe. Why means high temperature, high pressure is used for that one. Next one. The polymer containing strong intramolecular hydrogen bonding and crystalline in nature is. First, see what do you mean by intramolecular and intermolecular hydrogen bonding. If I write HF, it is inter, and if I write the compound benzene and write OH and here N double bond OO, the bond between this is intra. Okay. So now he is asking polymer containing strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Polystyrene, natural rubber, Teflon, nylon 66. As you know, in Teflon, no hydrogen. Natural rubber, hydrogen is there, but they are not having a substitution group. Polystyrene, it is also not having the hydrogen in the chain. Okay, so answer is nylon 66 is a fiber with a strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, now which of the following is initiator in free radical polymerization? So as starting when I am doing the introduction, I told you radical dot, that is electron. How to generate that radical is by using some of the compound, and now he is asking the same question, which is the reagent used as an initiator in free radical? Benzyl peroxide, AlCl3, HNO3, butyl lithium. See, AlCl3 is used to generate electrophile. HNO3 is used in nitration. Butyl lithium is used for reduction. So answer is benzyl peroxide, which will help to initiate the free radical reaction. Okay. So last question related to bakelite and novolacc. Novolacc, the linear polymer used in the paints, is. So we know that novolacc is the basic unit of bakelite. But in paints, how it is used? Buta-1,3-dienestyrene, methyl methacrylate, condensation polymer of phenol and formaldehyde, copolymer of melamine and formaldehyde. So what are the wrong things you have to see? Rubber, it becomes wrong. Here polystyrene, wrong. First option, right? This one used in paints, but no aldehyde. Here phenol, correct. Aldehyde, correct. The answer is C. Next, melamine. Melamine is also used in bakelite and formaldehyde. But there is a difference between phenol and melamine. Answer for this one is C. Explanation you can. It is a copolymer of phenol and formaldehyde, and the structure is a linear compound. Okay. So these were the few questions which are related to polymers. Okay. Thank you.